came out of the military. Give me a little insight to that, because I think it's a pretty significant piece as to who you are, where you're at, why this kind of thing is going on. When I did get out of the military, and I was the motivation to get out and do that. I had moved down to San Diego with my best friend, and I got a phone call from my mom, and she was like, "I've got bad news." And I was like, "Okay, what's up?" And she's like, "Your dad has cancer." And I was like, "Okay, well, let's just move through this. Let's get all the information, and we'll tackle it one day." And don't be all like, "We can do that about 3 years, 5 years." So that's why I moved back to Ventura. And I spent the time there and helped out whatever I could, whenever I could, supporting the family, just being there emotionally, physically, helping with my brothers,